It's Zen unity.
Very good. It means two people are there. In that, there is a male, there is a female, and they will be around 30-35 years age. Okay.
So
Uh, and also it
unity.
will speak about the parts of the body from toe to the neck.
Total.
There is a purpose. They are in a relationship.
Okay.
Read it.
Okay. Just a minute. Unity. Youngest daughter, the joyous lake metal. Youngest son, keeping still mountain earth. Let an offering be made, a favorable omen, auspicious to choose a wife.
Uh, choose a wife. That means it is for the man.
Okay.
A man choosing a wife.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right.
Unity is expressed in the thumbs.
Hmm.
Unity is expressed in the claws, in auspicious to remain at home.
See, one person holding the hand of another and sitting very closely like that.
Okay.
Are you able to imagine?
Yes, sir. Imagine, sir.
There are two people sitting,
Yes, sir.
and they are, you know, they are
Next to
holding
the
their hand. Yes.
hands. Unity is expressed in the thighs.
Hmm.
There persist in their following. Going forth will bring misfortune. The omen is auspicious, regrets will disappear,
Hmm.
uncertainly and worried. You pace back and worth.
Yes, I did. There was a case study on that.
Okay,
A father came to study with me.
okay,
He finished the studies. At the end of the class, he was asking me whether he can get his brother-in-law's daughter married to his son. His brother-in-law's daughter for his son for marriage.
okay,
We did the process. We got this answer.
okay.
Immediately, I asked the father, "I think your boy is already in love with another girl."
Oh, okay.
He said, "Yes."
Oh,
That girl, yeah, she comes to our house. I know my son is in love with her. They are very close. But I want to cut her, or they don't want to marry that girl.
madam, they marry the
Girl,
relatives.
whatever. Then at the same time, he wants his brother-in-law's daughter to be married to this boy.
Okay,
See, here I think he's telling my son, you have made a mistake of not correcting something. They were already in a relationship. They were very close with each other. Instead of rectifying or correcting the situation, you are jumping into new decision.
okay.
This father is very keen and he wants to quickly get